How not to Feng Shui your bedroom. Be especially mindful of having all surfaces overflowing with papers, folders, sticky notes, and unpaid bills. If you have any old computers that do not work, it is ideal to have them in your bedroom home office. The more clutter, the better. A treadmill in your bedroom will definitely energize your love life and bring serenity and sensual energy to the space. What can be more zen than a treadmill? The bigger and bulkier your exercise equipment is, the better, especially if it is covered with dust because you never really use it. Bring the TV into your bedroom, a big one placed very close to your bed. That way, you can watch the news for at least 30 minutes every night right before you go to sleep and as soon as you wake up. You can always be thinking about stressful world events. Display a big collection of photos of all your friends and family, ideally from several generations, to watch over your love life. After all, why would you need privacy in your bedroom? Store under your bed the old memorabilia from all your past relationships, especially the sad ones. Pack all those reminders really tightly, so there is no breathing room left under your bed. Decorate your bedroom in dreary colors. For a jarring splash of color, get creative with displaying your Halloween costumes and accessories here and there. Or add a touch of that special green from a St. Patrick's Day party. Your bedroom is the place for all of your dying plants. Position the plants, so you can see them first thing when you wake up and last thing before you go to sleep. There's nothing like lifeless energy to make you feel well rested. Forget about 2 bedside tables, and position your bed against the wall. Place just one pillow on top of your bed. If you're looking for love, a bed set up for one will certainly do the trick. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.